railings for interior, exterior. We actually just started to touch a little bit of ornamental on the commercial side too.
Okay.
So we're getting contracts for that. And miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is just random projects that you never say no to if you can. If you haven't done it before, it could open to new doors.
Yeah.
Miscellaneous, honestly, is a blessing. It's a little random. You don't get them a lot. We've been to San Francisco due to a miscellaneous project. We had a marketing firm contact us.
Really? Wow.
We've traveled. I mean, that to me was big. Growing up to me, the furthest I ever drove was the Bronx for work.
Yeah.
So the fact that we had a project that the client was willing to pay us for flight and travel all the way on the West Coast, that was big. I feel like that was an eye opener,
Yeah.
especially for my father. You know, I think that right there set the bar up. We've done miscellaneous projects, New York Stock Exchange we've been in, Grand Central Station. So we have hit these, what I